My name is George B. Tanner, and I have anatomic surgery on both sides of my shoulder. I started that pain a long time ago, and I tried everything because the insurance company, cortisone shot, tons of roll-ons and sprays, and tons of ibuprofen. I don't take medication except ibuprofen or Tylenol or Aleve. And finally, it's come to the point my family doctor suggests Dr. Butler. So we met him first time, and he suggested to have, let's start a cortisone shot. I said, I had plenty, it didn't work. He said, maybe I'd do it a different way. And there was a little bit release for about 4 or 5 days, and the pain has come back. And then he said, we did some x-rays and MRIs, and then he come back and said, well, we need a surgery. And I said, I read it, I don't want to quit my sport. That's my childhood sport, and I'm gonna continue ride and race my motorcycle, and whatever you do, I can't lose that, because it's some passion what you do all life long, and certainly you can do that. It leaves a hole inside you, and you can feel that with nothing, zero. So he said, let's take a look on that x-ray again of your rotator cuff. And a couple next visit, he said, I got a good news for you. Your rotator cuffs are good attached, so we can do an anatomic surgery. And that is 3 to 4 months, you're good to go, and you can do anything what you want to do. And we decided to do that. I was very excited. About 3 weeks after the first one, I was just eager to do a second one, because it's just, I can explain to you what a beautiful feeling when you can move your arm and you don't have a pain. Dr. Butler explained to me everything what I need to know clearly. He explained to me exactly the recovery time. He explained to me after recovery, just be careful, and then easy 3.5 months, usually 4 months, you can do whatever you want to do, and then we're going to do the next one. I can do anything. I said, lately I ride my motorcycle in a special event, high speed, curve, everything moving around, and absolute zero. I'm able to do my job. I can lift anything I want. And matter of fact, I just received a brand new racing suit. My sponsor did it in Pakistan, and it was a little bit tight, and it was like horrible putting my arm and stretching and everything. And actually, I don't have any kind of a little discomfort, but after that it was nothing, zero pain or anything. It's just a fantastic experience, and I'm very blessed that they recommend Dr. Butler. Give my life back. Dankeschön.